Bonjour, bonjour, bienvenue à cette nouvelle vidéo. Welcome to this new video. I'll never say it enough, I think that grammar in any language is only a very small part, and all the structures you learn in books are only a very small part of the language. It's the foundation, it's like the skeleton of a language, but it's very limited. For instance, if you learn the conjugation of ER verbs in the present tense, you learn the endings, E, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT, then it's the very beginning, it's the basics that you need to know. But the most important thing to become fluent is knowing all the ER verbs that we actually use on a daily basis. And that's another story. Something that you get in French 1, 2, throughout the course at Language City. But anyway, I think that another huge aspect that's completely underrated in most courses are the number of idiomatic expressions that we use in French and in any language. And you would mostly learn in immersion. One of them is if need be. How would you say that, if need be? I'll lend you my car if need be. That would be si besoin est. So you would say, for instance, je te prêterai ma voiture si besoin est. I'll lend you my car if need be. Je te prêterai ma voiture si besoin est. Remember that I'm dropping those E's, like in the future. We go over that in the lesson on the future tense in our course. That the ER from the infinitive that you have to keep, the E will be dropped when speaking a little fast, which is all the time. Okay, so je te prêterai. And even more so, je te prêterai, when we go a little fast, we say je te prêterai ma voiture si besoin est, if need be. Okay. Here's another one that I heard the other day, and it's not something you'll hear every day, but once in a while you will, and it's beautiful. If you want to learn something beautiful as opposed to all the slang that I've been teaching you, here's one. People talk and try to make a point, and then the other person says, j'entends bien, okay? You would think it would be literally, I hear you well, I hear you well, I hear you. That's a bit, I hear you actually. It's really, I understand. I get your point, I understand. Okay, so j'entends bien, beautiful way of saying I understand. Okay, all right, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and I'll see you soon for another video. À bientôt, salut.